So search is our path. And then obviously you can see the last parts of this, which is Q equals cybersecurity and page equals 2. These elements are typically called the query string, and the query strings are directing you exactly to something. It's basically saying, okay, I want to search. What am I searching? My query is cybersecurity. And, this could refer to how many pages you've gotten from that search results. And in this particular example of this URL, it's pointing to page 2. So that's the basics of a URL, as you would see in most examples typically. And I will talk about sort of like a more advanced one. Let's see this one. In this example, all the elements that we kind of talked about remain the same. There are a couple of things that are different. So for example, in this URL, we can still see the fully qualified domain name. We can see the protocol or scheme. We can see the port is port 80. We can see the path, which is the login.php file. And then we can see like the query string, which is basically saying redirect me to dashboard and ID equals blah, blah, blah. Typically, this could refer to like the user's ID and so forth and all that. This could refer to the user's ID and so forth. And then I will talk about the fragment in a second. Now, if you look at this URL, there's just one thing or a couple of things that look different, as we mentioned. So if you look at this, you can see there's also a user element to this, right? The user element is basically saying, hey, I'm this user admin. My password is let me in. And you can see down here, we have a username and a password. Mind you, you will likely not ever find URLs in this format again. This is obviously for learning purposes. Like I just wanted to kind of call it out, but we used to actually do URLs in this manner. And for security folks, you can guess where the issue is right away, right? There's the admin and the password being sent in plain text and so forth. So very bad idea.